I thought I'd give you a little update on this saw. I've had it a little while now, and it's holding up quite well. It's very light, easier to move. You can see where it sits in the top of the van there. It sits under the bench there where you can see it. I've got a confession to make. I did leave it on top of the bench there one day when I drove away. Heard a big bang as I was driving along, and it was on the floor in the back of the van when I stopped. But it was okay. No visible damage. It seemed to be still square. Whether that was just good luck or whether it was because it's quite rugged, I don't know. But it took a bounce and it lived, so it's happy. I do have a couple of little niggles, but nothing serious really. The main one being the fence doesn't move. Even my little Evolution, the cheap little Evolution, has a sliding fence. The Makita does, the Metabo, Festool, all of them do, but this one doesn't. And you can see the mess that I've made of that back fence that I've got. And I bought a Freud blade, like I said I would, 48 tooth. It's good. Keep expecting to break this handle, but it's survived. It's fairly stiff. And there's an adjustment knob on the back for taking it to 48 degrees. I wasn't sure about it at first, but it's either stiffened up a bit with the crap put in it, but I ain't had any problems with it. Don't seem to move around. Oh, with the Freud Pro blade, it's not easy to say. You see, this is a piece of painted pine. Very clean cut. I've had it in the machine a little while now, and it's holding up quite well. I'm quite happy with the machine. Yeah, quite a good saw.